Khao Man Gai, Thai-style chicken rice. Rice cooked in chicken fat and seasoning. Served with seasoned boiled chicken. Eaten with fermented soybean sauce. In this video, we will be cooking Khao Man Gai. We will need chicken thighs, 2 to 3 thighs. You can also use chicken breast. Rice, 300 grams, 0.66 pounds. A ginger, you can buy it from grocery store. 1 garlic, half a lemon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of bouillon powder. Grocery store should have it. Soybean curd sauce for making the dipping sauce. You can buy it from an Asian grocery store. 1 tablespoon. Cooking oil. Any regular cooking oil will do for this dish. This is to give some taste to the rice. Chili, also for making the dipping sauce. But if you don't like strong spice, you don't need to use chili. We start by cutting up the chicken. Cut each thigh in half at the joint. There. Now let's prepare the ginger. Take a teaspoon and use it to peel the skin of the ginger by scraping the ginger with the edge of the spoon. Cut it into small pieces. We will only need 3 pieces. Put them together with the chicken. Garlic. We will only need 2 cloves of garlic. Peel off the garlic. Put the cloves with the chicken as well. The ginger and garlic will give aroma to the chicken once cooked. Add water into the pot and start heating it. The amount of water is to use enough to cover the chicken. Put in the chicken. Garlic and ginger. Once the water is boiled, let it simmer with the chicken for about 15 minutes. No need to close the pot. The water is now boiled. You can see there are some layers of fat forming on the surface. Just use a spoon to remove them. And let the water simmer for about 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, turn off the heat. Take out the chicken. Don't throw away the broth. We will use it for the rice. Next step will be to prepare the rice. Put the pot on the stove. Turn on the heat. Put in the rice. Put in the broth. Bouillon powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon. Sugar, 1/4 of a teaspoon. Salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon as well. Mix them all together. When until boil. If you use a bowl of rice, the amount of broth should be about the same bowl, plus 3 tablespoons. Close the lid. Once the water is boiled, adjust down the heat. Stir the rice occasionally or else it will stick to the pot. Let the rice simmer for about 10 minutes. While the rice is simmering, put in the ginger and garlic. And keep stirring occasionally. The rice is now ready. You can see the shine on the rice. This is from the fat from the chicken in the chicken broth. Now we will prepare the chicken. Take a piece of chicken and take out the bones using your hands and a knife. Cut the chicken into small pieces. Chicken thigh, When cutting, don't move the knife blade back and forth. Press it straight down into the meat, or you will risk tearing the meat. Now we will prepare the sauce. Pour the soybean curd sauce, about 1 tablespoon, into a bowl. Sugar, 1 tablespoon. Lemon, cut it in half. Squeeze out the juice. Use about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now, if you don't have mortar and kettle for the garlic, you can use a knife. By first, press a garlic clove onto the table so it gets flat. Then start cutting it up into small pieces. Put the pieces into the sauce. Cut up half a ginger into small pieces. Cut it as small as possible. And put them into the sauce as well. Mix it all together. You can add more lemon juice if you prefer a more sour taste. Chili is optional, depending on if you would like the sauce to be spicy. Just cut it into small pieces and add into the sauce. There, Khao Man Gai, a popular dish in Thailand.